Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sell on Walmart. To start selling on Walmart, you will need to first create a new account for Walmart Marketplace. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in marketplace.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now find yourself in the official site for Walmart Marketplace. From the main home page, click on Join Marketplace button at the top right hand corner. Now, provide necessary details for your business. Start off by typing in your first name, last name, email address, your legal business name, your phone number, and create a password for yourself. Confirm the password by re-entering it again, and finally click on I have read and agreed to terms of Walmart Marketplace, Walmart Fulfillment Service, Walmart Ad Center. Now click on Create My Account. Check your email for a verification link. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. Open up the Walmart Marketplace email that you received for account verification and click on Verify My Account. Once your email has been verified, click on Go to My Account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to open up a seller account. Now the next step is to get verified by adding your business information, get paid by adding a payment information, and select the best shipping prices and partners for your budget by clicking on Start Shipping. So make sure to specify how you will handle. So make sure to submit any required tax forms, add a payment method for your account so that you can use it for transactions, enter your shipping information by choosing from the options inside Start Shipping, upload your product details including descriptions, images, and pricing, and you will be able to become a seller on Walmart. Once your products will be listed, buyers can browse and purchase them directly from walmart.com. So that is how you will be able to sell on Walmart. You'll first need to create a seller account and you will be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.